My girlfriend and I are backpacking through Indonesia and made it to our final destination, which is Bali. We're currently in Sidemen, where we decided to do a silver workshop where we can make our own rings. I'm in heaven here. It's full of mula mula stuff. It's the mula mula. I want to buy everything. We chose our design. Happy with the design you chose? For which finger? Oui. Thank you.
Jadi perak itu aku kalau kajang di, dia kajang hari ya. Nanti jadi hampir kamu yang bapak ke mungkin.
I think you're doing a good job.
Nothing has changed.
Is it hard?
Yeah, okay.
What? Yes, we do.
She's making the form of the ring, not the form of the design.
Got you. After the after the color the red, you put the shoulder here. Okay.
Okay, in the middle.
Yeah.
More or it's okay?
It's okay.
That's the result. Do you like it?
Yes. Okay.
We finished the silver making class. It was really cool. We both made a ring and then we bought a bunch of things. The guy was so nice and everyone was so cute and it was really fun to make. And now we grabbed some food and we're eating it by the pool. Good morning! It's the next day. Hello peeps. We took the scooter for about 20 minutes. You drove the scooter with me in the back. We drove through a lot of tiny villages. It was cute. Dogs on the middle of the road, they're just sleeping there.
They don't move and scooters just go around them.
It's crazy. And now we arrive at this little waterfall and we have to go up.
At least it's stairs.
At least it's stairs and it's not muddy. And yeah, let's go. So pretty! The way down is always questionable, as you can see with Victoria. So we left this morning, we went to this waterfall, and then we went back to the hotel and we went in the pool and had lunch. And then
we got picked up by our driver and he drove us from Sideman to where we are now.
Bedugul, I think. Yep. Anyway, and it's pouring. It was okay when we arrived, but now it's...
I'm sad
really
because
pouring.
I wanted to go to the pool because there is a floaty inside.
I hope we can go later or tomorrow morning. What is that?
Oh, hello everyone. We are in sunny Indonesia. Yes. I currently feel like I'm visiting my grandparents in the Alps of Austria.
Literally, minus the palm trees.
And we have to go milk some cows now for breakfast. But actually it's not what we're doing. We're going to Indomaret now to get some snacks because we're hungry and it's not dinner time yet. And
I got my beach outfit on, I still have my bikini.
oh yeah, she has her beach outfit and I'm in a jacket. I didn't think I was gonna use it, but I'm a local now because it's 24 degrees and I'm actually cold. So I wish I had long pants on.
Is it 24 degrees?
Yeah.
Oh, show the way we're taking.
I wish I had long pants on, but I don't.
Oh, the cats are there!
So this is the way we just took. And this is the way we're about to take. These are neighbors with crazy music.
What is this? Is this a party? Good music going on there. You wanna go?
We have arrived at a grocery store. Do you want ice cream?
No.
Me neither, I'm fucking cold.
Oh, chips.
Rimbi!
What is that? Cheese flavor. That looks good. Maybe you want keju and chocolate flavor. Want to explain what this is? Oh, I think they know from other vlogs, but you
Keju and chocolate is cheese and chocolate. It's an obsession here. It's questionable.
Do you like it?
No.
We found the chocolate keju. Do you want this one?
Yes.
I want to show my favorite drink here. What are yours? My favorite drinks are orange water and the Pocari Sweat. It's really good. Favorite?
My favorite drinks here are Thai milk tea.
Oh yeah, me too.
The one on the right here.
Really good.
That's really good.
Also the iced tea is
Yeah,
really
that
good.
one's also really yummy.
Yeah.
And there was a green tea with honey, but I don't know where it is. Here.
Oh, this one, yeah. So we got back from Indomaret and bought a shit ton of snacks. And this is our dinner. Instant noodles.
So where I'm supposed to fill this? Is there a line?
Just over the noodles, I think.
Instructions are in Indonesian, so.
You don't understand? We've been here for a long time.
So.
Because we thought we'd be hungry, we have extra here. You excited for dinner?
Yes. Having some pop me instant.
Tomorrow, new vlog, maybe.
Hopefully no rain.
Hopefully. Good night.
Good night, puppies. Good morning, everyone. We went to bed while it was pouring rain. We woke up to pouring rain. Currently it's not raining, which is a big surprise to everyone.